Don't you hate it when you get ready to reuse a can of paint and it's dried up? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to preserve your stored paint right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest at todayshomeowner.com for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
Paint and varnish can go bad or dry up even in a tightly sealed can because there's always some air trapped inside the can. So a half-full paint can is also half full of air, and that air causes the paint to dry and form a skin on its surface. Next time you seal a partial can, try this. Carefully push a layer of plastic wrap down onto the surface of the paint and press the edges of the plastic wrap against the inside of the can. Make sure there's no air trap beneath the plastic. The plastic will keep the air in the can from contacting the paint and prevent a skin from forming on the surface of the paint. Next time you open the can, toss the plastic wrap away and get started painting. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.